Bill, you're addicted. You know you are. You know it.
It's my sock. It's just a sock. It's just a sock. Oh, I'm not addicted. I can stop anytime I want. Look, I'm stopping. Oh, sock. Oh, sock.
Bill, look at yourself. You're addicted. Yes, we're only here to help you. Bill, it's an addiction. We're here to help you.
So it's a sock. It's just, okay, I'm addicted. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I swear, I'm stopping. Oh God, sock. I'm gonna give it up. Oh, no. Don't take it away from me. Don't come near me. Don't. I can't live without the sock. I can't live. Do you understand? No. I'm gonna smack you, I swear, if you come near me, I swear. There, how's that?
Look at yourself, Bill. You're drunk. You're drunk with sockiness. Look at yourself.
No, I'm not. I am. I'm a drunken cattle. I'm so embarrassed. Oh, thank you for the intervention. I could roll into a ball and just die. Oh God, I'm so embarrassed. I'm so... Oh, Skunky, I love you, Skunky. It's a Skunky. It's a Skunky.
Bill, oh, Bill, you're addicted. You know it.